How to install Waze on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, so click on this search option. So after click on this search option, click on search and search Waze. So type Waze ZE. So after and click on search, so you will see Waze is here. So if you want to install, so click on Waze navigation install. So after click on install, you will see Waze is installing. So your Waze is installed according to your internet connection. So after the process, now here showing you open. So after installing, Waze navigation showing in home screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install Waze on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.